Hello and welcome to another video. My name's Michael and today I am doing my first ever unboxing video because now there are new things to unbox with the Crimes of Grindelwald wands coming out, and so I just got my first one in, and so we're going to try this unboxing thing and see how it goes. So you might notice that this is not a Noble Collection box, but is actually from Barnes & Noble. Barnes & Noble sells the Noble Collection wands. It's actually quite a bit cheaper than buying it from the Noble Collection because they are not in the like the boxes with the ribbons, the collector's Ollivander box ribbons, which doesn't super matter to me because I don't leave them in the boxes. I have them on displays around my house. So it just made more sense for me to get the kind without the collector's box. But let's open it up. So just standard packaging junk. And so whenever we get wands from the Noble Collection, they're like in wand-shaped boxes. I don't think Barnes & Noble has anything like that, just standard packing receipt thing. And so this wand costs, you can see here, $23.39 was the price. So the ones on Noble Collection are quite a bit more expensive, and this one was actually on sale, and I used a 50% off coupon. Kind of standard advertisements and things in there. But then, here is the wand. So, Albus Dumbledore wand. It is so pretty. So there's the new Jude Law face. Look at him in his gray coat. And then the wand is here. Albus Dumbledore wand. They now advertise the Elder wand as Grindelwald's wand. And so this one is now Dumbledore's wand. If you hear background noise, it's because Haley's making dinner. That's why we're doing this right now, right before dinner. So they do, collector quality prop replicas. This is from the Noble Collection, I believe. There's actually, yeah, it does say Noble Collection on the back. And at Barnes & Noble in the store, they sell them for $30, but I did get this for $20, like I said earlier. So, yeah, so there's the box. And now let's open this thing up and look at the wand. So pretty much just cardboard, and then it's like a little plastic cover thing. And then the wand itself. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Oh, I just love it. It has a very good balance. Oh, I already love this wand so much. Wow. And so this is like cold, so this is actual metal, these pieces here. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a leather grip on the real wand, but it's like a plastic right there. And then the root part is all right there, and then it tapers quite a bit, so it's quite long. Let's see if I can get it here. Get this out of the way. Our Halloween decorations are on the table. So yeah, it's quite long. But I think the box said it was 15 something. Let's see, yeah, 15.5 inches. So that's a pretty long wand. And it just looks great. Oh, I love it. I love like the empty spaces in the middle there, and kind of the texture on the inside. Let's see if we can get it here. Yeah, the texture on the inside there. You can kind of see some of the seams where they did like the resin casting there. So I might try to, like, I don't know, kind of sand that off. Yeah, you can kind of see a little bit of imperfection there, but let's see how bendable it is. So there's no metal rod in the middle of these like a lot of collector's wands. I just don't see where they'd have the room for it in this one. So it does have a little bit of a bend, but not a big deal at all. And it's very straight. so it doesn't really need the metal rod for this one. Wow, I'm very happy with that. Very happy. And so we also see here, some people have pointed out the runes that are engraved on his wand, and so we see those runes there, then that one, so it looks like the same one is on there twice, and then 2 different runes there, and then the rune on the bottom. One thing I was looking forward to when I got this wand was to compare it to the original design of Dumbledore's original wand. And so this is the wand designed by Brown and Lobin, which we'll link him on the description below. So this was the original design before it was redesigned, because we found out that J.K. Rowling felt that this was just too similar to the Elder Wand, which I have here, so you can kind of see how very similar, with all the little knobs and everything along the edge. And so I've written an entire post about that on michaelswandblog.wordpress.com, and you can read about it there, kind of the whole redesign drama. I don't know if it's drama, saga, I guess I'd call it more of a saga. How the original design became this design. So they changed it to something totally different, which is now very different from the Elder Wand. So both have handles and everything, but they are pretty different. About the same length. Some of the longer wands are some of my favorites, like Arthur Weasley's and Hermione's are very long. So I'm glad that this one is still very long. I love having both of these wands. You feel so powerful. So that was my first unboxing video ever. Hope to do lots more, because I hope to unbox lots more wands. I might not be able to control myself like I did today, because this came this morning and then I was at work all day and I went to the gym. I did so much today before unboxing this wand because I wanted to do this video and do it justice. So here's Dumbledore's new wand. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for the post on michaelswandblog.wordpress.com, which we'll link below, and see you guys around. Keep the magic alive. Bye.